Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the drug Kalium. Coming to its common name, potassium carbonate, formula K2O2CO2 and its brewer is Hahnemann. It acts specifically on respiratory mucous membranes, digestive tract, heart, liver, kidney, etc. It produces excessive irritation, giving rise to inflammation. The serous and mucous membrane become extremely dry. As a result, there is sharp stitching pain. Next, coming to constitution, patient is dark skinned and haired, especially helpful in diseases of old people who are fleshy with dropsical condition. There is puffiness of upper eyelids after loss of vital fluids, particularly in anemic. Other drugs, China, phosphorus, sorinum. Coming to mental generals, great aversion to being alone. Other drugs, bismuth, arsenic, lycopodium and stramonium. Wants to be alone drugs, ignatia, nux vomica, gelsemium. There is afraid of imaginary things, despondent, alternating mood, irritable, full of fear and imaginations when alone, oversensitiveness to touch, especially feet. Coming to physical generals, there is pain, stitching, darting, hoarse during rest and lying on affected side. Stitching better during rest and lying on painful side drug is bryonia. Very much inclined to take cold, cannot bear to be touched. Next, coming to head symptoms, there is vertigo on turning, headache when riding in cold wind, stitches in the temples and occiput region, loose feeling in the head, great dryness of hair falls off, other drug fluoric acid. Next, coming to eyes, there is bag-like swellings on upper eyelids, lower eyelids, epice, both phosphorus. There is weak eye after coition, pollution, abortion, measles. Stitching pain in the eyes, eyelids stick together in the morning. Weak sight from excessive sexual indulgence. Next, coming to ear symptoms, there is stitches in the ears, itching, cracking, singing, roaring in the ears. Next, nose bleed when washing the face in the morning. Other drugs, ammonium carbonate, arnica. Nose stuff up in the warm room. Thick fluent yellow discharge comes from the nose. Next, coming to mouth, there is profuse saliva constantly in the mouth, bad slimy taste in the mouth, toothache only when eating, aggravation touched by anything warm or cold. Next, coming to throat symptoms, there is difficulty in swallowing, sticking pain in pharynx as if a fishbone, food easily gets into the windpipe, pain in the back when swallowing. Next, stomach, there is distended stomach, sensitive, feel as if it burst, sore erections, dyspepsia in old people, excessive flatulency, everything she eats or drinks appears to be converted into gas, other drug iodinum, gastric disorders from ice water, burning, acidity and bloating in the stomach. Next, coming to abdominal symptoms, stitches in the region of liver, distension and coldness of the abdomen. Next, rectal symptoms, constipation, stool, large, difficulty in stitching, large quantities of blood discharged from natural stool, burning in rectum and anus. Next, coming to urinary symptoms, there is pressure in the bladder long before urine comes, involuntary micturition when coughing, sneezing, etc. Next, coming to male symptoms, there are complaints from coition, excessive emissions followed by weakness. Next, coming to female, feels badly weak before menstruation, backache before and during menses, there is violent backache, she wants back to be pressed, other drug causticum, menses early profuse or too late, pale and scanty with soreness around genitals. Next, coming to respiratory symptoms, there is cough, dry cough, paroxysmal, spasmodic with gagging or vomiting of ingesta. There are hard, white or smoky masses comes from the throat when coughing. Other drugs, badiaga and chelidonium. There is dry hard cough at 3 am with stitching and dryness of pharynx. The entire chest is very sensitive. Asthma relieved when sitting up or bending forward or rocking. Asthma worse from 2 to 4 am. Next, coming to heart symptoms, sensation as if heart was suspended by a thread. There are palpitations and burning in the heart region. Great tendency to fatty degeneration. Weak rapid pulse. Next, coming to backache, sweating, weakness after abortion, when eating, while walking. She feels as if she must give up and lie down. Next, coming to extremities, tearing pain in the limbs with swelling, pain from hip to the knee, pain in the knees, limbs are very sensitive to pressure. Next, coming to sleep, there is drowsy after eating, wakes up around 2 o'clock and cannot sleep again. Next, modalities, aggravation from after coition, cold weather, soup, coffee around 3 o'clock, lying on left and painful side. Next, emulsion, warm weather during the day while moving around through moist. Next, coming to relations, it is complementary to carbovage. It follows nuts vomica in stomach and bladder problems. Its antidotes are camphor and coffea. Thank you.